How to create a new account on Stripe. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So if you guys didn't know, Stripe is a online technology platform where it provides a payment processing software as well as online APIs for online businesses. So if you want to create your account on Stripe, go to your web browser and simply search for Stripe. Then click on the first link that you see here. Once you open up the link, you'll land on this home page. Now, all you have to do here is click on the sign in option at the top right. Once you get here, you will be taken directly to the login portal of the website. Here, you're going to have to enter your account details if you already have your account, or if you're new, click on this create account. We're going to do that right now. Once you get here, enter your email first that you want to connect with your account. Once you've entered your email address, give your full name, and then you're going to have to create your password. Once you've created your password, all you have to do is click on create account. Just make sure to enter a strong password. Once you've created your password, click on create account. And if you want to get emails and promotional mails from Stripe, you can check this box as well. I'm not going to do that. Now you can select your country from here. Once you've selected your country, click on Create Account. Or you can subsequently connect your Google account as well. But I'm just going to continue with my email address. Once all of that is done, all you have to do here is you'll be taken to the dashboard and you've successfully created a new account on Stripe. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.